So if you're like me, the summer weather has not been nice on your skin. It's especially been rough for me because I live in Florida and it's super hot. So no matter how much I clean my face, like it's just been oily all day. So these are a few products that I bought, and it's supposed to help with the oil that's releasing from my skin. I would also recommend, like, you have to make sure you're eating correctly and drinking tons of water. And if you have an underlying medical condition, then that's something completely different. But this is what I've been doing for now, and I feel like it's kind of sort of helped my skin stay a little bit clear. So I started researching products that were good for like oily skin, and I found this deep cleanser with red clay by First Aid Beauty. I love that it like dries out my T-zone a little bit because that's exactly what I need instead of helping oil it up even more. I don't even think that's a thing, but to help reduce the shine and the oil that's coming out of that area. In my next step, I also use this Paula's Choice Exfoliate 2% BHA liquid exfoliant. I kind of love it because every time I use it, even after I wash my face, like there's so much gunk or dead skin or whatever that's coming off. Like it's been a total like game changer for me. And then lastly, I use these two products. The first or the third one is Paula's Choice Barrier Repair Moisturizer, and then the last one is a sunscreen by Fenty Skin because you need to protect yourself from the sun. This has been my like everyday skincare routine for the summer now. And of course, making sure you drink tons of water. You cannot drink enough water. I've been drinking maybe 6 to 8 cups continuously, and like that's not even enough. So I'm trying to make sure that I drink anywhere from 10 to 12. I don't know if I can get to a gallon because like a gallon is so much pressure. It's so much water and you're constantly going to the bathroom, and who has time for that? But your skin will thank you. So if you can get to a gallon, get to a gallon. Also, I know like your pillowcases are a huge deal because they have so much bacteria in them. Anything you put to your face. So try to change your pillowcases every 2 to 3 days, and also avoid putting your phone to your face. And also I've tried I'm trying using these compressed clean towels because like I don't want to keep putting everything that I put on my body on my face. So I try not to use like my towel when drying off. Like I'll wash my face, use a towel, and then let it air dry. Like I'm trying to do everything to have clear skin. Like it's not cute when it's so oily and then you can see all the little bumps popping up everywhere on your face. Like clear skin is the way to go. Here, let's go. So we first are gonna go in with our deep cleanser by First Aid. I think it's a deep red mask clay cleanser. Like I tried buying it off Amazon, but I had to go directly to the actual site. But yeah, I just try to put a little bit, but it always seems like it's too much. But you just have to make sure like you massage the product into your skin, because I feel like sometimes we put products on our skin and then like we just like set it on top and then wash it right off. Like no, it needs to like marinate. I don't know why I put my eyes up like that. A little bit awkward. But yeah, so rubbing it in. You go, girl. I think that's enough product, but she's gonna keep going and putting more because skincare is so much fun. Yeah, so I always avoid my eyes. It's just like I just do, like my eyelids, especially since I have lashes on and stuff. I try not to put too much products on there because these lashes will be falling at the slightest of anything. But yeah, look, so proud of myself. Now I'm gonna go in and wash my face, and this is how you know like how much products you have on your face, because Lord, it be taking so long. I be there for like 5 minutes trying to get all the product out of my face. There she is, wash face. Eyebrows definitely need to be done, and bags under eyes, but that's perfectly fine. Yo, I'm so proud of these towels. Like they expand and they're like I don't know why I'm in love with them, but I've just never known about them before. But like I said before, I don't use like a regular towel that I use on my body. I use these and I really like them. My face comes out dry because they just get wet a little to expand. And then sometimes you can even see like your skin might still be a little bit dirty, whether it's product still left on your face or it's just something you forgot to do properly. Now I'm gonna go in with my other little expendable towel. Look how cute she is. We're gonna go in with our Paula's exfoliator. I just put some on both sides of the little towel thingy You know when products are expensive, like you're like, nah, I'm not gonna use a lot, and I'm not using a lot, but like you have to use enough to exfoliate. So I go in on my cheeks because why do my cheeks have acne, and my chin, oh my god, like I never experienced that before, but now like I feel like it happened like 2 years ago. I started getting acne on my lower cheeks and like my chin and stuff, but my nose, oh my god, it's so annoying. So I just try to go in there and scrub, and like my T-zone, like the places that I definitely get the most oil and that just like be looking ugly, you know. I need to help those places out. I don't need to exfoliate the top of my eyelids because like I don't need them to fall off or whatever. And yeah, so once I finish that, I'm gonna go in with my moisturizer and my sunscreen. I only use a little bit of these. Like a little bit of these go a long freaking way. I might do 2 pumps of each max, but this is only 1 pump. And look, it literally like spreads out all over my face. I know the only place I forgot to put is my neck. Like you're supposed to like put sunscreen and stuff on your neck too and not just your face, but you know, just this works. See, look at how it's spreading. Oh my god. Yes. So yeah, I'm pretty much done with my skincare routine. This is basically everything that I try to do every day. I would say I wash my face at least twice a day, especially since I put on makeup during the day. But I also want to start doing it like right after the gym because my face gets super oily and I work out every day. So there she is, ready to get made up and hair done. Bye!